mahal this one. Difficult. Mag-harvest po tayo ng vegetable, yung basela at saka full. Yeah. Ali na kayo. Let's go guys. Samahan nyo kami. Well done. Okay, mag-harvest na tayo. I-harvest natin ang ating, wala si Ginger dito. Ang ating, we begin like this. Ay.
That are bloated like this?
Yeah, bloated. But
Like
this one Muffy.
Muffy!
Check here under the Haida.
Where?
I think.
Are there... Hey, the mommy?
Where?
That is not yet.
Wait. I will check first. Allah. Maybe next week this one. We will check. You feel cold?
No.
Here, this one. Check here. Here. They are too much.
Orange!
Yalla.
This one. Hey, the mommy.
Yeah, probably.
Check.
Yung matataba ang kunin natin, anak, para ano. Yeah.
This one.
Yeah.
This one.
Yeah, look at
How
this
about
one,
this
ate.
How about this one?
Yeah. Cut this
Where?
here.
Here?
Okay. Hala, you will see. You will eat.
Fun. Have fun. Hello.
Labalay. It's hard na Haida. Okay. Yay! You are harvesting
Ate,
now.
you want to cut? Hey.
This one, kuya. Okay, that one.
This one.
Yeah. Cut. Yala, harvest.
Ate, you don't want to cut?
Pa-experience natin ang mag-harvest. Ito, anak, oh. This one. Yan, ganito kasi ito yung kukunin nila sa loob.
Hey, though.
Okay.
Hey.
Yeah. This one.
Where?
This one. Be careful, ha? You cut the stem. Okay. Yan. Yala, there, too much. Ate, tulungan natin sila. Ito, ate, you want to cut?
This one, mommy.
Nee, this one, ate. Ate, cut this one.
Hey, the mommy, I cut.
Yeah. Just check if it's hard.
Like I press it a little.
It's nice. Big.
Like this.
This one, ate.
Like this.
Yes. Okay. Here, muffin na. Here, ate, too.
Hey, though. Hey.
Yeah, just check if it's big mama. Yan eh. Okay. Here, there are too much. Here, yan ang mga ganito. Oh. Mga tumubong ano, lemon.
It has another stem as well.
This one, oh.
This one.
Alang dami. Thank God. How too much, mama. Look. Here, habibi.
Hey, though. No?
It's Haida. Okay. Haida, ate, on the ground. Put it down, Haida, the other one. Yes, one. This one here, ate.
Oh, wow.
Tatago sila sa ano. This one, ate, please. Can you
What
cut
happened
it?
to the other plants like the potato?
Kalas, it's
No more
finished.
potato.
No more. I will plant again. Yala, next. Ang dami doon, anak. I'm
But
sure.
that's a lot.
Yeah. Ito ang kailangan namin. Ayan, sira na, anak, di ba, anak? Naka-free na tayo ng basela. Mahal ito, guys. $6 per kilo.
Sure?
$6 per kilo, mama. Mali. Konti lang siya. Yan, anak,
No, that's thin.
Haida?
Yeah.
Okay, pater. Okay. Yala. Hala. Makailang kilo kaya tayo, anak? What do you think?
Do you suggest cutting this?
Hala, thank God. Ang dami, guys. Next harvest na naman tayo. Wow. Dami, anak. Yala, sige. Dito. Yes. Okay, mag-harvest tayo. Here, put what's it? Oh, here, Kalas. The other one, the full come and we harvest.
Huh? What food? Hey, the big ones?
Papa eh. Utin eh. Happy na in front of you, ate.
No.
Ay, duli. You can harvest now. Oh, ito rin anak, oh. Tignan nyo ito.
Had a piece of
Yeah, full. This is full. The full in can, when it fresh, it's like this. Kasi dito, preserve din kasi nila ito yung buto niya. Nabibili lata or dried.
Okay, no more.
Ay, apa gitu ya?
Be on it. Hey, the.
Don't step in, Haida. Wow. Ay, duli, oh anak, oh. Give no more.
Here.
Alang dami. So happy.
Smells like Kamu Basha.
Show here. Show here, mama. I'll show them.
Why you open?
Here.
Wow.
This one we can eat.
That's so small. Nothing
Yeah.
to eat.
Wala. I
We're
will
go-
give you the big one.
Sure? We're gonna eat now?
Yeah.
No, I don't want to eat now.
Try. No, try it. It's like nuts.
Baby!
Mm. Try the one inside.
All the water just spewed out of my
Mm.
mouth. I just
It's
one
sweet.
more.
What the taste? It's good, like nuts, eh?
Bazella more.
Take the other one. And we go, yala. We go, yala, take the other one. We keep it here. We will take halabad shuay. Ni, ulay. Ayan si Orange, oh.
That's orange.
Orange! Tata, meow.
Can I
meow.
touch?
Yeah, mama. Meow. Ika na. Ka Orange. Ka dito, oh. Ito si Orange, lalaki. Orange. Ito si Orange. Kakain lang siya. Tapos aalis na naman.
comes for food.
Yeah, he just come when he's hungry. They are slow eaters.
Doesn't lie.
Me? You don't like? What?
What I do now?
Ah? Kalas? You don't want?
Looks like a tiger. Put it in the water.
No, Lana. He left us again. Come. Water. Oo. Inom na. Ano? Huh? Ano? Iyak-iyak ka naman. Hmm? Hmm?
Mommy, it doesn't like. He's
Nag-
shoving his head on my face. He's
That
shoving
is
his
scared.
head on my face.
She don't want to drink. Ano? Hungry? You still hungry?
He wants the plastic.
What do you want?
He's looking at the plastic.
Chupi. Wala, wait. We will stay and we go. Ayaw niya. Nag-a-acting din siya.
Orange, not ginger.
So, you want more Yana?
I think it sneezed because of the smell. I don't know. Don't shove your hold on my face next time. Mommy, wow, look. Why is it following me?
Oh, mama.
I will get rabies.
Love.
A-G-A-N-I.
Look.
A-I-N.
Ne.
A-I.
He wants more.
You go to the dogs.
Leave him alone. Lala, let's go. Finish that, Haida.
Black blood. Black blood. Black
Yeah, let me finish. Where she goes?
Cherry, cherry. Yesterday you said you want to stay in the sun in the morning.
Stay in the sun lang. It's vitamin.
Andiyan dati.
Yan. Yung full. Ito, oh. This one.
Why not that
The big one, mama.
Why not that one?
Okay, this one also. Be careful, the flowers.
I will cut them.
Oh.
Oh no, again.
let's go. You break it?
No.
Atin, atin.
But I did nothing to it.
Let's go.
Yeah, what's this? Seashell?
La, it's artificial.
Dogs, you want no path.
Oh, ito po yung basela na sinasabi ko. Pwedeng kainin ito na fresh. Ito po yung full. Dami! Hello po, gumagawa po ako dito ng bread. Tignan nyo itong na-harvest namin ng mga bata. Ha? Okay. So, busy po tayo ngayon dito guys. Gumagawa ng tinapay. Papalsa po ako dito ng pang Spanish bread natin. Ayan na po. Hi guys, ito na po yung ginawa kong tinapay. Hindi ko na ipakita dahil po ay nag-charge ako. Lowbat na pala ang camera. Spanish po ang ginawa ko at saka pandesal. Yan, malalaki ang pandesal ko. Pangbaon naman yan. Wow, 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 wow. Super, super. O, naluto na po ang ating pandesal. Okay, sunod natin ang ating Spanish bread. Ilagyan ko ng palaman sa loob. Oh, kaya naglabasan ng palaman niya. Pala, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung kasi tatanggalan ko ito. And then bukas ito po ang kakainin namin. Lutuin ko bukas yan, lang kamati. Basta ipakita ko bukas paano lutuin.
Wow, what's that?
Yala, you want to try that?
What's inside?
Try it. I put
Can you
something.
please put?
Yeah.
You put za'atar?
No, not satan.
You said za'atar.
Mainit, Ana. Try it. Hold it.
Is it hot?
Yeah.
Give me Kleenex so you don't hold it. It's hot. You said.
So it's good?
Give me,
Ate?
give me. You don't need to hold it. It's okay.
Kain po tayo ng pandesal.
I want one for school. Nice the butter.
That part?
The butter is nice.
You want more here?
No.
And then that?
Balang.
Katatapos kasi nila kumain ng dinner. Busog pa. Ano pa yung pinggan, hindi ko pa naugasan.
I want one for school.
You want aircon?
Yeah, for tomorrow.
It's good, Kian?
Yeah.
Masarap siya.
Very good.
Want more? Eat, mama. Masarap magkape. It's good, Kiano? I know, mama. It's good. Taba. Very soft, eh? Ganito ito. Ipakita ko lang. Sa Lebanon po, good night my love.
Nice. You'll open that?
Yeah. Ganito po, and then, ito, yung loob niya, ito po yung tinatawag nilang basela. Ayan. Yung, yan, oh. Ito, pwede ko itong ilagay sa freezer. Kasi pag summer, mahal po ito. Wala pong ganito pag summer, nasa can lang siya. Tapos, yung iba, usually, mga Lebanese ba, kinakain nila ito, parang mani. Hindi nila niluluto. Ganyan, oh. Matamis siya. Alam nyo kung bakit matamis, organic. Tapos ito, pwede natin itong ulamin. Usually, dito sa Lebanon, hindi nila ginagawa ba? Pero, pwede itong kainin. Ganyan, oh. Kasi, di ba pag baby naman ito, kinakain natin buo ito, no? So, pwede natin itong lutuin. Huwag natin itapo. Ganyan, oh. Tanggalin lang yung matigas niya. Sa gilid niya, yung ganyan niya, oh. Tapos, may tatanggalin tayo dito. Yan, oh. Yan. Tanggalin natin ito kasi pag maluto, matigas siya. Yan, tanggalin natin. Yung sa loob ba. Hindi natin itapon. Maraming na dito sa Lebanon, pag ganito na itapon na nila, hindi na nila kinakain. Yung buto lang ang kinukuha. Ito naman guys. Ito din. Ganyan ang ginagawa nila. Ito, ipakita ko lang. Ganito. Kinakain din nila yung sa loob. Ganyan, parang manik. Tinatanggal nila, ganyan. And then, pwede din naman ito, whole, nakakainin. Ilutuin kasi baby siya, oh, malambot. Pero pag matigas yung skin niya, hindi masarap. Mas maganda pag yung malambot pa yung skin. Ay, yung kainin nila ganyan. So, hindi ko itatapon ito kasi ito lulutuin ko bukas. Bakit ako kung paano lutuin. Matutuwa si mister nito. Ito organic talaga yung, kung nakikita nyo yung tawag nito, yung gawa kong organic fertilizer, yun lang yung pinagdidilig ko. Oh, diba? Matamis pa. Tignan natin yung isa nating tinapay. Masasarapan na ang mga bata. Happy ako kasi nakagawa ulit po ako ng tinapay. Hello guys, gising pa si Mami Laura. Ko yung pandesal at saka natin tinapay na ginawa. Pinapalamig. So, ayan. Anyway, ito yung basela guys, o yung beans. Yan. Tapos yung iba, nilaan ko kasi kakain si Mr. mamaya pagdating niya. Kakainin niya ito na fresh. Pero bubuksan niya ito. Tapos, ayan, hugasan natin. Pero may ipapakita lang ako sa inyo na ginagawa ko dito. Ito siya. Yung balat niya guys, ito. Kinukuha ko siya. Tignan nyo, naging malambot na siya. Usually dati, tinatapon ko ito. And then, napag-alaman ko na pwede pala siyang kainin. Lalo fresh ito eh. Meron na po tayong pang-ulam. Marami pa doon sa garden. Hindi ko lahat hinarvest. Nakadalawang cup tayo guys. More than 2 cups ito. Yan, may pang-ulam na si Mami Laura. Ilagay natin ito sa freezer. May pang isang ulam na tayo. Kasya na ito sa aming 4. Okay. Lagay natin yan sa freezer. Okay, nililinis ko yan. Ito yung sinasabi ko guys, hugasan natin. Kailangan ko kasi ito eh. Matutuwa ang asawa ko nito. Meron siyang, mahal kasi naman ito guys sa market. Di naka-minus kami. May sumasabog dito sa lugar namin guys. Apo, ang lakas, malapit sa amin.
No, keep.
Where is it, Mama?
I don't know. Wow, I said yes.
Yeah, why you close? Open la, if you hit it will break the window.
I can't best. So good.
Diyos ko, nagtutupi ako, ang lakas. Halika dito, anak.
There's strike at night.
Open more. Lano, masisirat. Ano ba? Dito lang sa amin. Wala po, Diyos ko, dito sa amin. May papawi 2 beses. Scary. Twice and it's next to us, You know the window, the door in the kitchen, it's make like this.
Okay.
You hear that? They left.
Sure?
I told you, the plane. Apo. Ito nabigat pa yung tawag nito. Palm Sunday bukas. Lakas. Ya Rob. Opo. Katakot. Ayaw ko. Kapinag itin eh. No, opo. Ututan eh. Kids. Open ko yung door dito kasi baka mabasag. May bintana kasi dito.